Hey everybody, this is Mike Locascio again, making my other YouTube video. I've been making videos almost every day since I started about 2 months ago. I got about 40 videos, and I would say not 2 months, but like a month ago I started, and I've been enjoying it. I have to say the process is pretty good, and I'm starting to learn how to do different things. I want to learn how to edit my videos, and making this video on my new phone. I got a Motorola phone, and it is an E5, and I do recommend it. My last phone was like a really cheap phone. It was like a $50 phone, 2 gig phone, and it wasn't really fast or anything, and it was kind of like to me it felt like that cheap phone that they give you when you start an account, and it's like really slow and everything. And then I get this phone, and I'm like, I spend like $175 because I want to make YouTube videos, so I buy this phone, and it's got like so much nicer. The camera's better, the picture quality's a lot better, and I'm like, wow, this is something that I've been missing for a while. It's funny because if you've seen any of my videos, you know that I repair computers. That's my business, msl computer service. And I've been repairing computers for over 23 years, and I like to make YouTube videos to give people tips, tell them how to fix their own computer, teach people how to change your settings, and if your computer's not working, I make videos to tell you how to fix different things on it. So that's what I like doing. I mean, I really didn't join this to make a lot of money or anything. If I make money in the future, great, that's fine. I think I'd rather do this than do a regular job, but I've been fixing computers for a long time, and I do get some income from that because my prices are reasonable, and I do fix a couple computers a month. So that's fun, and I've learned how to do that. And so, to make a long story short, I get this phone camera, and I'm looking at the picture, and it's like really good. My wife wanted to buy me something for Christmas and my birthday, which is January 1st on New Year's. So, yeah, I'm a New Year's baby. I was the first baby of the year in New York. So my mom got all these gifts and all these presents and things, and you get to be in the newspaper and everything, which is kind of cool. So, excuse me. So I'm making, and I got my other, if you look in the background, you'll see that I have my screensaver going. I have all my pictures on it so people can see the pictures if you're interested. They're kind of cool. Pictures that I saved from a long time. When I first started out, I put all these ads on like Facebook to promote my business, and I would put all these different, I would search like computer repair in Google, and I would download a little picture of like a computer or a picture of a guy working on a computer, and I would put my ad on Facebook, MSL Computer. If you need your computer fixed, give me a call. I'd put my phone number in, and believe it or not, I got jobs like that. Instead of advertising on a newspaper or, paying for an ad, because I didn't have a whole lot of money, I would just put ads on Facebook. I still do that. I run some ads on Facebook. And what I do is, if you want to run ads on Facebook for your business, what I recommend if you want to run free ads is just join a lot of groups. I join like 40 yard sale groups in my area. If you do that, you can put like once a week, run an ad, whatever your business is, whatever you do, and you can advertise in your area for free. And usually there's like 3,000 or 12,000. Some of the groups I'm in are like 12,000 people. So there's like 12,000 people on that group. So a lot of people are going to see your ad. And I don't recommend putting videos. You can put a link to a video on there, but Facebook is kind of weird when it comes to people putting videos on. They'll tell you it's inappropriate, but you can put a link and say, watch my video, and put a link in there, and people will click on your link. And or what I do is I have a website, which is mslcomputerservice.com, and it lists everything that I do, all the different services I do. So if you have a website, you can put it in, put the address in your Facebook ad, and just post like once a week or something. You know, join all these groups. They're all free groups, and you'll get people calling you and saying, hey, you know, I can use your service, blah, 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 how much you charge. And it's pretty neat. So I've been able to get jobs from there. And I also have a Google account, which is Google My Business, MSL Computer Service. And if you have a business, I would definitely recommend you going to Google My Business and making a business profile for your business, and tell your friends to subscribe, people that you've done business for. Tell them to put a review, because there's a section on reviews and people that are looking for a service. Since Google's the biggest search engine and they own this YouTube and they have a lot of subscribers, you could, you know, link your video to you know, your website and things like that. So it's another way to get out there in front of people. And what I do is I have Craigslist ads too. I go to Craigslist, and that's also free. And I'll run well, actually it's $5 now. It used to be free. It's $5 for any business. So you just go to Craigslist.com. That's another way to advertise your business if you have one. And then you just write down, like, I do such and such a business. Look on the bottom, check out my website, and you can write your website in there. You can also put some reviews in there for people you've done business for. And I mean, it's pretty cool. I've been doing Craigslist probably for, you know, 10 years, and I've gotten a lot of jobs fixing computers on there from people in, you know, like 5 or 10 miles from me. And they'll even tell their friends or their family, hey, this guy does computer repair and his prices are reasonable, whatever. And then, you know, you get jobs like that. So if you have a business and you want to grow it more, I would say join Facebook groups, join yard sale groups, or join groups that you can search in the Facebook box for things in your niche, and you can all join groups like that, or you can just join yard sale groups. Go to Craigslist and post ads in there and about your business, and you can give your phone number and your information, and you could put, you're not allowed to put links, but you can write out your website. You can connect that to, like, you know, anywhere else that's in social media that you set up. Like if you have a YouTube channel, you can set it up with YouTube, and you'll get calls, you know, believe it or not. I've gotten a lot of business that way. I never really spend money on any ads, paid ads. I know I'm not doing it on a big level, but you can get enough business to keep going. And a lot of it is word of mouth too. So if you work for somebody, they'll tell somebody else, and it could go like that. So just don't spam, you know, Craigslist or Facebook, because I've been banned from there. They'll it's like a punishment. They'll say, oh, you can't post ads for a week. So if you overpost or you spam a lot of ads, then they'll ban you out of there, and they won't let you post anything. So just do it like once a week, or else, yeah, they'll put you in that Facebook jail, and you won't be able to do anything. Yeah, I'd say like once a week.
Can I come in?